Have you ever felt like you're doing all the right things for healing? We're talking supplements and meditation and breath work and diet and all the things, but somehow, some way, you still feel stuck, frustrated, or even exhausted by the process. You're not broken. You're actually just missing a critical piece. That's integration. And that's exactly what we're focusing on this week. Peace and welcome. I'm Dr. Steele. If you're new to my channel, I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. And I created Intro to Holistic Medicine 1, course 1. And it's really to empower you to understand your body and your healing journey without needing a diagnosis first. That's right. Intro to Holistic Medicine 1 is all about nutrition and looking at nutrient deficiencies and really looking at what you're feeding yourself, both from a subjective, which is what we tell ourselves and all the signs and symptoms, and objective, which is something we can test and measure outside of us. So this week is week 12. It's a major milestone. It's everything that we've learned so far. It starts to come together in a really embodied way. So this week is our final week of Intro to Holistic Medicine 1, and we're focusing on integration. So here's what we're going to be covering: what integration actually means in the context of holistic healing, and why frantic healing, toxic positivity, and chronic learning with no breaks actually hurts and harms your progress in healing. We're going to learn about sacred spaces, internal and external, and how we can create those because it's crucial for true healing and sustainable transformation. We'll also be able to recognize real signs of growth, and so including breakdowns, breakthroughs, ego resistance, imposter syndrome, failure, all the things. And we'll also discover how to overcome those common resistive behaviors to show up deeply so that you can really integrate everything that you're learning in to be able to heal. And lastly, we're going to learn how to trust ourselves through the very normal cycles of failure, confusion, and emotional release. So most people think healing looks like a straight line, right? It's very linear because that's what we're trained in conventional medicine. You know, you go in, you tell them what's going on, they give you a pill, a procedure, a surgical intervention, and that's supposed to fix the problem. However, true healing doesn't look that way. In fact, true healing looks messy. There's doubt, you feel stuck, you feel angry, frustrated, all kinds of things. And it looks like you questioning everything that you thought you knew about yourself before. Finally, at the last minute, boom, you have a breakthrough. So the truth is that breakdowns are actually not failures. They're invitations to deep breakthroughs. So I kind of like to say the deeper the breakdown, the deeper the breakthrough. And this week, we're really going to honor that. So inside this course this week, be sure to watch your trainings on integration in safe space, reflect on what we've experienced so far, all the resistance, frantic healing, imposter syndrome in your healing journey, participate in your discussions. And lastly, if you're catching this and you haven't enrolled yet, it's not too late. You can click the link in the bio for the description, scroll down, it says enroll in Intro to Holistic Medicine. You can join. It's a self-paced course. For now, it's free, but it's not going to be for very much longer. And it absolutely changed the way that you see yourself and your healing journey together. So I'll see you inside. I can't wait to help you to step into your next level of transformation and really grasp true holistic health. So make sure that you like, comment, subscribe for more healing insights. And in the comments, share with me what part of your healing are you ready to finally integrate. I can't wait to hear from you.